Welcome back to the channel. Doing a quick DIY self bleeding brake. You don't need two people now. Hook into the Blake breeder valve. Put some fluid. An old bottle. Hole in the top. See the fluid right there rising. Using suction and gravity. Air is coming out of the bleeder valve and the caliper. It's pulling the fluid up through there. Make sure you keep your brake fluid reservoir topped off, because you might be pulling some down into your calipers. So you want to keep an eye on that when you're doing it. I know my dad used to have me out in the hot ass sun trying to help him bleeding brakes. I remember that as a kid plenty of times. So trying to save some people some trouble. By the way, send me some automotive stuff to test out, review, unbox, whatever. Make sure this valve is loosened, bleeder valve, and tighten it back up once you're done. Pump the brakes. You want to do this, you want to release the brake slowly when you're doing it. That'll let the air out, pull the brake fluid into the caliper. Some more DIY tips, save some money. I'm having to go to the repair shop. Like, subscribe, and share. Appreciate you watching. It's a car channel, but we do all kind of reviews: solar, batteries, RC cars. It don't matter. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Don't let your next brake job be intimidating. I just did it by myself. You can see how bad the old pads were. Did both front brakes. Came with new hardware. You see the old hardware. Still in working condition. I might even clean them up and save them. Amazon special. Skidoo is the brand. Works with Ford, Lincoln, other models. I painted up the caliper a little bit. See the pads, they look good. They're already installed. I forgot what type of material they are. If you're changing your pads, you might have to bleed the brakes also. But you can do that by yourself too. You don't need two people. You just need a bottle, hose, gravity, and suction. You can see the fluid. It's damn near halfway up the hose already. So it's clearly working. It's pulling the air out, sucking the brake fluid up. When you're done, tighten the brake reservoir back up. Like I say, back to the brake pads. It literally only took me 15 sides, so don't be discouraged. I'm sorry, 15 minutes each side. Don't be discouraged. You see the new hardware, new clips, front and bottom. Cleaned up the rotor a little bit. Cleaned off the brake pads. It came with brake pad grease, and like I said, all the new hardware. $30, you can't beat that for all 4 front brakes. Like, subscribe, and share if you want more DIY content. Got a review on these spacers too. Not spacers. Technically they're wheel adapters. To change from 5 to a 6 lug.